Hello everyone, this is Pawan Bhuya, and we have launched a brand new course where you will be learning how to create a full stack LMS and digital product selling website using React, Node, and PostgreSQL. And we will do all these things using AI. I mean to say that we'll be using anti-gravity from Google. You can either use Cursor or you can either use Replit in order to create this website. So I'm a full stack developer, and in this course, I will totally focus on practical learning by building the real world projects instead of just teaching you the theory. You will follow along and create a production ready platform that you can use for your own business, freelancing work, or maybe for your portfolio. So what exactly will we be learning in this course? First, we will plan and structure a complete LMS and the e-commerce platform. Then we will be designing the UI and the UX using modern SaaS principles. Then we will be building a front end using React and Tailwind CSS. Then we will develop the backend APIs with Node.js and Express. Then we will work with PostgreSQL database and relationships. We will then implement authentication and role-based access. We will then create the core selling and digital product system. We will then integrate the payment gateway for transactions. We will be integrating Razorpay for Indian payment gateway for Indian customers and PayPal and Stripe for the overseas customers. We will use AI tools to speed up the development. And then finally, we will deploy the project on a live server. So without wasting any time, let us dive into the first lecture.